Alright, hey guys, welcome. It's been a while since I've uploaded any tutorial videos, but so I'm just gonna make this one here real quick. Hopefully it's less than 10 minutes, probably not. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to do texture toggles or color changing toggles. For example, here in expressions, of course you gotta use SDK 3.0. Uh, Oh, and this works for any type of avatar. Doesn't have to be militarized or anything. It could be, a t-shirt, hoodie, backpack. So right here, I have, as you see, I'm just wearing all gray, and you could change the colors. This is one of the avatar I used to make. Red, blue, green, white, purple, cyan, like that. And you can even, mix and match whatever you want. So, I have a green chest piece here, orange helmet, or, cyan limbs, or purple, whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. And it's very simple. If you've seen one of my older videos, um, uh, that I've worked on, how to do, certain item toggles. So it's really simple. It's really gonna be quick. All right, so right here, this is gonna be the tutorial model that I'll be teaching you. This is in optimized models, so it's gonna be all one texture. That's literally all you need. One texture does all. But yeah, so pretty much how you're gonna do it is, for example, I have just one material ball, which you gotta keep in mind, and this is the only one that's on this model. And if I say, so this is the one right here, merge 5, and if I use, let's say, merge 6, puts on a dark camo, and then merge 8, this texture makes it, I guess navalized. But yeah, so we're gonna make it where you can toggle to dark camo and navy. Simple trick is, first off, we're gonna do is click this material ball. Now these are textures, and this is a material ball. What you're gonna do is gonna do on your keyboard Control D. You're gonna duplicate it 2 more times. Depending on how many textures you want to do, it's up to you. So right now I have, let's see what model this is using right now at the moment. This is using the material 09. So this is material 09. You might want to rename it, so I'm going to do like, for me, material 1. And then for this one, it's going to be the dark camo, or just black, whatever you want. I'm going to name it material 2. And then right here, rename it material 3. And this will be the navy. Alright. And it's very simple to like how you do it with, if you've seen my older videos, item toggle. So pretty much right here, hopefully you make sure your model is humanoid. So click on that, apply. Alright, configure, save. All the limbs are intact, so just minimize one of these models, click done. Once again, oh my bad, I think I made it a little bit too quick on that part. So pretty much on your right side of your screen, just click on configure, and this is where you'll see how all your bones are set up and everything looks fine. If it's all green, you're set. Just minimize like one of these little tabs here with the triangle, just click on those, click on done. Alright, if you ever like lost your model right here, like let's say you're in the middle of nowhere in this Unity project, just click expand sample scene right here, click on your main model and just click F. And oops, click F. That should work. There we go. Alright, just click F when your mouse is in the Unity screen. Alright, here we go. Let's start with the animation. So first off, hopefully you know where your animation is. It's right here. If you can't find it, just go to Windows, Animation, and just click on Animation here, or Control 6. Alright, so remember to make sure to click on Main Model, make sure this is highlighted, Animation, Create. I'm gonna put like base camo or like material 1, up to you. Just name it, if you're wearing like a hoodie, I don't know, and you start with a green hoodie, you just name it that. So base camo, and just click on save. Alright, and now this is where it's going to be a little bit different than the item toggle. So right here, you're going to click on add property. Where your model is, you're going to click on animator. Sorry, not animator, sorry. Merino, or the model of your avatar. You're gonna click on, don't click on is active, just click on right here. You see that little triangle pointing to the right, skin mesh render? Click on that, and you're gonna find something that says material reference 0. Now, for some of you, some of the avatars may have like 0, reference 0, material reference 1 through infinity. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the largest greatest number you find. So like, let's say this model has like 3 materials, material reference 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna click on 3 first on the plus sign, and then 2, and then material 1, and you click the final plus sign, which is material 0. Now this is an optimized model, so I only have one material reference, which is 0, so I'm just gonna click on that. Alright, and if you want to go check it, just click the expand button. See right there, that's the material ball. Alright, just gonna right click at 0. Remember, just like always, delete key right here, select it right here, Control C, put this white line on the top and put it at the very point 1 second after, and just click Control V on your keyboard. Just strange. Set Control C, Control V. There we go. Alright, now you got that, and then just double click the play button here, the triangle pointing to the right. Alrighty, and boom. Alright, so we got our first material done, which is base camo for me. Now we're gonna go right here to your right side of your screen, Animator controller. Set that to none. Alright, now we're gonna make a new animation. Now this part is what you're gonna do is on your model, you put material number 2, and you just slap it onto the object or model that you want the color to change or the texture to change. So for me, I just slap it on here. Once again, my model is optimized, so I don't have to worry about much. Alright, after that, you go click on the main model again right here, and then I go to animation, create. Now for this one, I could put base camo 2. You can use numbers to sort out everything, but I'm just gonna put I'll just do spec ops. Why not? Add property. So click on main model right here, which is the Marine 1002, and then skin mesh render. I go scroll all the way down to material reference 0, and yeah, there we go. Minimize that real quick. Delete the diamonds at the 0-second key. Select the diamonds at delete the diamonds at the 1 minute mark, 1 second mark. Select the diamonds at the 0 seconds. Control C on your keyboard, and then after that, you take your white line, move it to the very point 1 second after. Control V, that means paste. Boom, there you go. And then just like that, just double click play, so you could bring your model back to T pose. Once again, on the right side of your screen, controller, set it to none. Right here, just click on that little circle if you can see it. Alright, and we're almost done. So next, finally, go to material 3, which is navy, and then once again click main model here, blue highlighted, animation, create, navy camo, add property, main model. My main model for the avatar is Marine 1002. Should have been optimized BF3 Marine, I don't know why, but it's okay. Go down skin mesh render, material reference, just click on the plus sign to the right of that. Okay, once again, just do like always, same thing, same routine. Alright, and then animator controller off. Okay, good. So now we have, so let me just create a folder right here. Let's see, camo toggles. I'm gonna name it camo toggles. You can do color change or something like that. So I'm gonna bring the animations in there. So base camo, navy, spec ops. I'm gonna bring them to camo toggles just to sort out where everything is. All right, so I got those 3. Now for assets, oh, one more thing. Body. Make sure to bring back your very first initial texture that you wanted to use. Oops, yeah. So bring back your material 1 or the the texture that you want to use first. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can also do this. You don't have to like use multiple different textures. Here, let me show you. For example, for material 3, I'm gonna duplicate that. So now I have. Let me just delete that. So I have material 4, right? What you can do is, let me just use base camera for this one. I'm gonna put material 4 on, and you can go over here. What is this? A white rectangle thing is. You can just use the color wheel to change the color. So for example, just say my marine is dipped in Mountain Dew or something. Yeah, let's just say that, right? You can still use that. Right here, animation. Let me just go animation, create Mountain Dew, save that. Boom, boom, boom. Of course, this isn't the best, depiction of a Mountain Dew marine. Okay, and yeah, you see, you can even use the color wheel to change the color. This is simple and easy for people wearing, clothes or something like that. That's great. All right, so now we got all our um animation toggles. I don't know if that's there. Okay, and now what we're gonna do next is set up the thing. All right, so here on the right side, click on main model, obviously, then look to the right, add component. Hopefully you have your VRChat SDK here. VRC and then avatar descriptor. You click on obviously edit, like tutorials are hopefully that you've seen. Just set it up. Basic knowledge of avatar creating, playable layers. Go down to where it says FX and click on that. Now it says none, right? So we gotta create one. So right here in your assets, right click, create. You're gonna go all the way down to animator control. You're gonna click on that, name it FX. Go back to your main model, look down to where FX is. Just drag FX in there. So that's where we can create our things. Another one is go down over here, expressions, customize, menu parameters. We gotta go make those as well. So, put your mouse in assets right here, right click, create, go all the way up to VRChat, avatars, both expression parameters and menu. So we got our parameter. So now I'm gonna go to VRChat expressions menu. Okay. Now go back to main model, scroll all the way down, put the menu in menu and expression parameters in parameters. All right. Now we got that done. Gonna go in your assets. See this right here. This is VRChat expression parameters. You're gonna click on add. You're gonna set this from float to int integer. I'm gonna name it, I don't know, color change toggles. For me, it's camel toggle because my avatar is militarized. For you, it could be color toggle or color change wheel. Not wheel, but like that. And that's it. Yeah. Don't worry about the expression menu. We're gonna work on that later. So, main model, and then right here on the somewhere in the top of the screen, right here, you're gonna see it. It's animated. You're gonna click on that, and then wait. Oh, my bad, sorry. You're gonna double click on the FX in your assets. There you go, which will take you automatically to this animated screen. There's two windows right here that you're gonna look at. So right now we're gonna be at parameters first, right under animator. List is empty, right? So you're gonna go click on the plus sign. Remember when we put int integer, you're gonna click it again here. I'm gonna name it the same thing. So I named it in my parameters camo toggle. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Camo toggle. Make sure it's the same spelling and everything, punctuation, all that. All right. Now once you're done with that, you go to layers, click plus sign, name it one more time, the exact same thing, and then right here you see this gearbox or settings wheel. I'm gonna set the weight from 0 to 1 so we can activate that. Once you're done with that, you put in the animation. So first off, you're gonna put in your very first thing that you're gonna, represent yourself or appear. So for me, it was base camo. For you, if it was green, you start off with green. You put in green animation first. Then next, what I did was I wanna My second choice will be Spec Ops, Navy. Now you can mix and match it. It doesn't have to be, you know, just what you start with. It could be any. Like that. At any state, you're gonna go left click on that, right click, make transition. You're gonna see this, you know, white line with an arrow. You're gonna drag that and point it and click on every animation like that. And then we're almost there. Just click on these white triangles first. Just click on the first one, see where condition says list is empty. Just gonna click on the plus sign. Condition is gonna automatically set you to camel toggle. If you have many animations, just make sure to select the right toggle or, you know, parameter, and you're gonna set it to equals to 0 because that's gonna be your initial appearance material thing. Next, this is my second choice, so I'm gonna put this to 1. Remember, everything should start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for me, I have 4 things. It's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is gonna be 2 and equals 3. All right. So now we're done with that. You go to your bottom of your screen where assets was. You're gonna click on your VRChat expressions menu, not parameters. You're gonna just click on menu, add control, and this is where you're gonna put in your, you know, what you use for your expression wheel. So, you know, in your wheel you select certain things. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So first control, base camo for me, and it's set from button to toggle. Make sure it's set to toggle, very important. And then right here in parameter, it's camo toggle. And then my initial number that equals to that was 0. So right here should be value to 0. And then, you know, my next one was value to 1. So we're going to set it to value to 1. But first, let me name it. Camo button. This one for the name, you don't have to like directly name it the same thing as it is. You could change whatever you want. Just make sure that the type is toggle and the parameter is set to the right thing. Alright, so that's set to 1. Navy camo. And then lastly, Mountain Dew, because why not? Okay, and that's set to 3. So obviously you can see how Navy camo is all that good. Alright, and boom, that's it. This works for both PC and Quest, just so you know. If you want to learn how to upload avatars for PC and Quest, just check out my channel. There's other channels that teach you how to do it probably easier than me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this tutorial helped. And yeah. Hold on a sec. One thing I did forget to say. After I finished, because I just realized this after I was done with that video. So I do have to warn you though. For some of you who are playing, you know, or planning to upload this avatar, your avatar to Quest. Just know that it does have a 10 megabyte limit, and these camel toggles, if you're using the same material, if you have like multiple materials using the same texture, and you're just like, you know, using the color wheel, you might be fine, because for me, I'm using like multiple textures here, and these multiple textures still apply onto the avatar, so you're probably gonna have a high chance of going past 10 megabytes. One quick thing that it might help you if you want to go under the 10 megabyte limit in VRChat Quest. Just go click on your textures right here. Now if it's PNG, you know, this will work, just so you know. On your right side of your screen, you see where it says the Android symbol, just click on that. Override for Android, and you see where it says 2048. Now you're gonna reduce that at the minimum. Don't try like to make it 512, because that will look bad. Just do your best to make sure it's like at least 1024. But you know, just to keep that in mind. And also, I forgot to show you. Oh yeah, you gotta also apply that. But pretty much, how you upload this, just in case some of you are wondering, just go to the top of your screen, VRChat SDK, show control panel, builder. If it says like a lot of things like, oh, you gotta, you know, autofix, just click them. You're gonna be fine. And yeah, and then you just click build and publish for Windows. Name your thing. I'll teach you how to do avatar thumbnails in the next video and other cool stuff. Yeah. All right. You're welcome.